Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Acer Swift Go 14 Old, a laptop that's been making waves in the tech community. Is it the perfect blend of power and portability? Let's find out. Design and build quality. The Acer Swift Go 14 Old features a sleek, ultra-thin design weighing just 2.76 pounds, 1.25 kilograms. Its aluminum chassis gives it a premium feel while maintaining durability. The hinge mechanism is smooth, allowing for easy one-handed opening, and the overall build quality is impressive with minimal flex in the keyboard and screen display. One of the standout features of this laptop is its 14-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the contrast is excellent. This display supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, making it perfect for content creators who need accurate color representation. The brightness peaks at 500 nits, ensuring visibility even in bright environments. Performance. Under the hood, the Acer Swift Go 14 OLED is powered by the latest Intel Core i7-1600P processor paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 1 TB of PCIe NVMe SSD storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and quick load times. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics handle everyday tasks and light gaming efficiently. Battery life. Acer claims up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, thanks to the efficient hardware and the energy-saving OLED display. In real-world usage, expect around 7 to 8 hours with moderate use, which is still quite impressive for a laptop of this caliber. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with well-spaced keys and decent travel. It's also backlit, which is great for working in low-light conditions. The trackpad is large and responsive, supporting Windows Precision drivers for smooth and accurate gesture control. Connectivity. The Swift Go 14 Old comes with a good selection of ports, including the Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 3.2 Type A port, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a microSD card reader. This makes it versatile for various peripherals and external displays. Audio. The dual stereo speakers provide clear and loud audio, though they lack a bit of bass. For the best audio experience, especially for media consumption or video editing, using headphones or external speakers is recommended. Software and features. Running on Windows 11, the laptop comes with minimal bloatware, ensuring a clean and smooth user experience. Acer's suite of software utilities, like the Acer Care Center, adds useful features without being intrusive. The Acer Swift Go 14 Old is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a portable yet powerful laptop with a fantastic display. Whether you're a content creator, a professional on the go, or a student, this laptop offers a great balance of performance, design, and battery life. While it comes at a premium price, the features and quality justify the investment.